Sony's Xperia 1.6 is getting official next week, on May 17th. While we've heard a few things about it over the last few weeks, today a new rumor brings us more details. Few weeks ago, leak arrives to show us renders from OnLeaks and Android headlines, as well as a 360-degree video. As we get closer to that date, the number of leaks about it is growing. Less than a week ago, the phone's camera island leaked, and price leaks. The phone will allegedly cost slightly less than its predecessor, going for $1,224 instead of $1,288. The biggest Sony Xperia 1.6 leak so far details its camera, which will apparently include a 48MP main camera, a 48MP ultra-wide one, and a 48MP telephoto camera, offering 3x optical zoom and reaching 6x zoom through a sensor crop. So there will be far more megapixels for the ultra-wide and telephoto cameras to play with this year if this leak is right. This time around there will be just one new camera app, inspired by Sony's Alpha series cameras apparently. The same site also reports that the Sony Xperia 1.6 might come with a choice of 12GB or 16GB of RAM. All versions of the Sony Xperia 1V have 12GB, so the top model could have 4GB of extra RAM this year. Finally, according to a leaker posting on Weibo, a Chinese social media platform, the Sony Xperia 1.6 will have a 6.9-inch screen, up from 6.5 inches on the Xperia 1V. This is a surprising claim, as due to the expected 21:9 aspect ratio with a 2K resolution, that could make the phone extremely tall. Sony likely to move from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, so expect the Sony Xperia 1.6 to be more powerful than the Xperia 1V. Sony Xperia 1.6. The battery capacity is said to be 5,000 mAh, and some upgraded battery health technology built-in seemingly extends the cell's lifespan to 4 years. The phone will support wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.